Better broker training video, how to enter in your banking information the correct way. All right, so this is your back office, and to enter your banking information, you're going to go under Account, and you're going to click on Banking Information. And this will bring up a screen here. And every field needs to be entered. So the first one is time zone, so we know exactly where you are. So I'm going to select Eastern. And you put in your name. Everything with an asterisk is mandatory. Okay. Information on this should be the same information that is on your bank account. So if you go by nicknames and things like that, you need to put your full legal name here, your gender, your date of birth, starting with the year, and just follow the format up here. Email address, your phone number, it's the last 10 digits. So if you're living somewhere that has more than 10 digits, put in the last 10 digits only. All right. Once you've done that, your work number, if you have one that you're able to put in there. Mobile number, that's up to you. Your address. So address is required. All right. City, again, required. State, province. And country. So this is asking for abbreviation here. And currency code. Currency code meaning it's going to be duplicated because you're going to put this in the banking information as well. But currency code is the currency that your bank account is in. So euros, Canadian, US, pounds, whatever it is, pesos, dinars. So put that there, please. And then your postal code or zip code. If you select a country, then obviously it's going to be postal code here in Canada. Any additional information you think that we need, then you're going to put in your account number. Okay, so your account number of whatever account you want us to deposit money in. You need to make sure you tell us if it's a personal or business account. Also, savings or checking. Very important, because if this does not match, it's going to come back. And the currency of the bank account again. So if your bank account's Canadian, great. If your bank account's a US dollars account, great. Check digit, if you're using a check. Bank name is mandatory. Okay. Description if you want. As much information here as you can give us. Like routing number in North America is what we have. In Europe, you have the SWIFT BIC. So it's going to vary different parts of the world, but you should be able to fill in one or two of these fields at least. If you're not sure, print the form just by hitting Control-P on your keyboard and print it, take it into your bank and ask them to give you the information and let them know that you're expecting an international deposit. That's very key, international deposit. And what information do you need? And they will be more than happy to give you the information. And then what country your bank is in. Okay, obviously it should match the address that your beneficiary information is. The bank address, we must have this. Okay. And I know a lot of places you only go by one name, but on this you have to give us your first and last name, bank address, bank city, postal code, any additional information. And then ID. ID we must have. It must match the name of the beneficiary information. So country, whatever country it is. So I'm picking Canada as the example, so we'll stick with that. Government type, if it's a driver's license, birth certificate, SIN number, whatever it is. Passports and things like that are not accepted, so that's why it's not asked. So if it's a driver's license, put in your driver's license number or whatever it is. State or government, if it's a government ID, put federal government. If it's a state, then put the name of the state or province. Date issued, if there's a date, again, it's a year, month, day format. So if it was issued in 2005 on January 27th, And the expiration date, same thing. It's going to expire on 2014 on 1/1, something like that. And then you hit save. And once it's saved, you'll see all the information's in there, and that's it. And that is how you enter the banking information that we need so that we can pay you through direct deposit. Thank you.